Well, simply put, through the ArcGIS Platform as a service, Esri is making available the individual building blocks that make up our software as a service or SaaS offerings. The ArcGIS PaaS does this in three key ways. Firstly, through improving the developer experience. This includes improved access to Esri's APIs and SDKs, as well as the ability to use the open source mapping library of your choice. Esri has published a new interactive developer documentation site, which includes everything from the basics of GIS to advanced usage examples and demos, with over 100 tutorials on how to use Esri services with the ArcGIS API, as well as the mapping libraries Leaflet, OpenLayers, and Mapbox.GL.js. Secondly, location services. These are services which you will already be using, but made available to use in an easier and standalone way. These services include access to our expertly styled base maps and the ability to customize these designs to meet your needs. Data hosting, the ability to host your data online, cache it offline, edit, analyze and view it in your custom applications. Data visualization, sophisticated 2D and 3D data visualization capabilities. Common abilities such as geocoding and advanced routing, maps and data, streamlined access to both New Zealand and global information, powerful and sophisticated abilities like spatial analytics, image analysis, real-time mapping and IoT integration. And finally, an additional consumption-based business model. You can pay for access to ArcGIS services based on your consumption, in addition to named users. You have the option of being billed based on, for example, the number of tiles or the number of routes your users request, with prices competitive to other providers and generous free tiers to get you started. This new business model uses authentication based on industry standard API keys, simplifying the deployment of services and giving you detailed information on their usage. But how is all of this relevant to you? Well, the ArcGIS Platform as a service extends Esri's development options to cater for non-GIS developers. These are developers who aren't necessarily GIS savvy and who aren't necessarily developing map-centric applications. The ArcGIS Platform will enable you to work with your non-GIS development teams to make your geospatial information available as part of larger websites and applications. The new documentation provides a great introduction, enabling your dev teams to become familiar with the GIS concepts you're familiar with, and the new tools will enable your development teams to integrate your geospatial information into their applications using the tools and libraries they already know and love. Let's finish by looking at an example of one of our users who has successfully started using the ArcGIS Platform. The new Niwa Parks weather website includes leaflet-based maps. Niwa were able to switch out their original base map provider with base maps provided through the ArcGIS Platform. The platform enabled them to use Eagle base maps based on authoritative New Zealand-specific data and to customize these base maps to meet their specific styling requirements. We look forward to seeing what you can create with the ArcGIS Platform as a service.